Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Shane, and do you ever have those nights where you just can't sleep, so you start browsing the internet and you order something you think you really want, and then you order it and then realize maybe it's not what you wanted, but there's no turning back. So that's what happened in today's video. Yeah, Lootcrate showed up at my door. So I was having this moment where I really wanted to get back into subscription boxes. I've done Lootcrate in the past, and I've done Birchbox as well. So I was on the internet trying to do research of maybe some new potential unboxings, and I saw Lootcrate and I'm like, why did I ever stop getting Lootcrate? I actually did really enjoy the previous Lootcrate. Why do I keep calling it Lootcrate? Now, I have canceled the subscription, so I only got 1 month subscription, but I figured, you know what, I have the box, let's unbox it anyways. I know some of you enjoy it, but if this is something that you would like me to continue doing, just let me know. I just felt like when I was uploading the unboxings of these Lootcrates, they weren't that popular. I just felt like you guys weren't really enjoying it, so just let me know what your thoughts and opinions are, and if we hate it, well, I still have this box to open. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, this box seems a little bit bigger than what I'm used to. I'm like, were they always this size? And I don't think so. I did just order the generic Lootcrate box. I know they have a couple different kinds. I know they have like Lootcrate anime. They have like a more expensive Lootcrate. But all I did is go ahead and open up the tape there. So I'm gonna lift the flap. You guys are seeing this. Oh, well, I should have figured. I guess in honor of the new Marvel Infinity Wars movie. Oh, I see something on top. They have the Infinity Gauntlet here with all of these stones right on the box. I always remembered that the boxes were always decorated on the inside, but right away I'm seeing like a mini figurine. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Now, they do have a pamphlet on the inside that kind of tells you about each object. I read the pamphlet at the end, not to ruin any surprise, but I always start with the t-shirt. I did get men's size small in t-shirts. Oh. So I haven't seen Marvel. I haven't kept up with Marvel in a really long time. So I don't know like who that guy is, but he's wearing the Infinity Gauntlet. So he's either a bad guy trying to collect all of these stones for this gauntlet for good or for evil. So that's all I can tell you. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw this bad boy on. Pause the video. So before you guys kill me, a couple days after filming this Lootcrate, I actually went out and saw Infinity Wars for myself. So I'm all caught back up. It's been quite a while since I followed Marvel. So before you guys kill me, I just want to let you know that I do know who's on my shirt. I didn't even wear the shirt to the movie theater. For that, I'm kicking my butt for sure. But enjoy the rest of the video. I am wearing a dress, so this looks super odd, but there we go. Whoever he is. I know I'm gonna get reamed in the comments for that one, but I'm just being honest. The next thing that I'm seeing, and I'm gonna pull out this just because he's kind of speaking to me. This is from Epic Minis workshop. Oh my god! I am so excited. That was a very genuine reaction because when I was first looking at it upside down, I'm like, oh, I don't know who this guy is. Like, this is gonna be another, like, whatever crate. I am so excited though. This is Mr. Frodo Baggins from Lord of the Rings, and I'm actually a huge Lord of the Rings fan. I just actually recently watched all of the movies again. I love Lord of the Rings. I had the Lord of the Rings soundtrack on my phone, and I literally just listened to it on my way to work. I am so excited for this one. Oh, he looks awesome too. I'm like, oh, do I take him out? Do I keep him in the box? I don't know. Oh, you can get Gimli, a Moria Orc, Frodo Baggins, Gollum, and you guys are gonna kill me, but I'm not sure. Yurk, High Berserker? I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't recognize that character. I really am a Lord of the Rings fan, but I don't recognize that character. Anyways, that is really cool. I'm actually really, really excited about this collectible. I'm going back and forth about keeping him in the box, but I'm just glad I got someone I really enjoy. So let's see what's next. This is intriguing me. This is so cool. Okay, I might just sign up for Lootcrate. Lootcrate is like, you know what? We know this girl is a little unsure about her subscription. Let us send her stuff. Oh, I thought my door was open. Let us send her stuff that she's, oh, no, I'm not coming into work tonight. They said, let's send this girl stuff that she can't say no to. On top of being a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, I am a huge fan of The Legend of Zelda. I remember this being one of the first video games that ever hooked me into video games, and this is a map of Hyrule. Oh my god. Honestly, because of the packaging, I was kind of expecting like a Harry Potter wand, but that's asking for too much. But this is really, really cool, so here we are. Oh, this is so neat. This is honestly, I mean, I know it's like kind of cheap or whatever, but I really do like this. Let me see. Okay, to be honest, I can't quite read the text. I'm trying to see if I recognize anything, but I can't even read it. So there's that. Oh, I do recognize they have like, they have like in the field those little skeleton guys that pop up at night, and then they have the little skull. They have like a little skull with the spider legs and stuff you see in temples. So there are cute little things I recognize. But this is really cool. Really, really neat. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it back in the box. That way I don't destroy it until I find its home. Eventually one day I would love to have a room with like, that's my own office, and I can put all this artwork and get shelving and put like all my pops and my little figurines and stuff. At the moment this house just doesn't have the room for it. So I don't know, some of these things I might just keep safe until, you know, we can actually get an office. I can't.
Ready to send it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send it.
Oh, it's starting to rain. I think we're actually supposed to be getting like thunderstorms, but the last 2 days have been 90 degrees out. It's been so nice. Oh, look at Frodo being all cute and Hobbit-like. All right, moving on. So that was 3 items. I forget how many, maybe 5 items you get in here. So this one, oh my god, why are they so familiar to me? So this is Jim Henson's The Dark Crystal set of 6 note cards with envelopes, and these guys are so familiar to me. I'm gonna have to read more of like the pamphlet that they give us. It's driving me nuts though, because the 2 characters on the front are so familiar to me, and I can't remember, like I don't remember what the Dark Crystal is. Oh, but this is really cool. So each card, and they are blank. Oh wow. Oh no, okay. So I got 6 blank cards, but like each one has a different design on it. Ooh, I like that one. They almost look like they're like fairies. They have like fairy wings. This one has like a dragon's head on it. This one looks kind of just like a symbol, more symbols. Another one. And then they come with envelopes, so that's pretty cool. I'm actually gonna save these because when you guys send me stuff, whether it's packages or notes, I always like to send a personal thank you card. So I have some with like roses. So I think that's pretty cool. So if you send me a letter or something, and you're one of the first 6 to do so, you'll probably get one of these cards because I'm gonna use these first. So that's really awesome. And the last thing, I remember that they always send you a pin, and I want to say a gauntlet, but that's what the glove is. But I thought a gauntlet is also like a drinking, like a chalice almost. Is that the right word? They come with a pin every year, and I actually keep these. I have this like little mini treasure chest upstairs where my pops are. Almost said my pots. Where my pops are. So I'm gonna add that one to our treasure collection. So let me go ahead. I think that was everything. I am going to read this really briefly. So if you want to know any more information on anything that we got. So the box is just the 4 different angles of the Infinity Gauntlet, which is pretty cool. Oh, but they actually used to be like a booklet, but now it's just a card. So April 2018. So it is from April. I know this is probably coming out like mid-May, but I just got my April box like May 5th. So I'm not that far behind. So the Frodo Baggins, the Lord of the Rings, the One Ring may be powerful, but when it comes to awesome Lord of the Rings artifacts, we definitely prefer Frodo's sword, Sting. I didn't even know it had a name. Which glows blue whenever orcs are around. Cool. Okay, so his sword is blue. I didn't even notice that. The Mad Titan, Thanos? I don't know how to... I've heard his name before. Reclines in his terrifying throne, so I'm assuming he's using it for evil, having completed his latest DIY project. Collecting all the fabled Infinity Stones. I already said no! And conquering the Marvel Universe. Okay, so bad guy. With the stylish tee. The cards, Another World, Another Time in the Are you actually kidding me? Another World, Another Time in the Age of Wonder. This set of 6 no cards features iconic artifacts and characters from the world of the Dark Crystal. Link is great and all, but now you can explore the kingdom of Hyrule yourself with this map. Epona is not included. Why? Why is he not included? And then chalice pin. Okay, it was right. It was a chalice. Some chalices contain ancient and untold power, and we're pretty sure this one does too. We just haven't figured out how to unlock it yet. So that's all the information on all the items that I got today. I hope you guys were excited for this. Again, let me know. I really, really need your feedback on this, because if you guys like Lootcrate and you want me to do this once a month, I can't talk. Hopefully next month we can talk a little bit easier. But if you guys want me to do this once a month, I'll be more than happy to. I just need your guys' feedback. Anyways, that was the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. I hope that you were excited to see Lootcrate again on my channel. I can't wait to hear from you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and leave a big thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any new videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Wow, I can't talk today.